Hello chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sir Milan Chess YouTube channel. Today chess video I am going to show you three different wraps in on defense and I am going to show you a checkmate puzzles for you. In the end of this video I am going to show you a checkmate puzzles for you. That puzzle's answer, if you know that puzzle's answer, please share your answer below the comment section. Okay, now we can go to the wrap number 1 in on defense. Okay, hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is wrap number 1 in on defense. Why black resign in 8 moves only? How to white won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then black turn, black played b6. This is called on defense. Okay, then d3, bishop b7. Okay, then white turn. Now we will see how to carry this match. White knight go to c3. In this match, black resign in 8 moves only. We will see why black resign in 8 moves. Okay, the third move of black c5. Black push the pawn to c5. Then white turn. White bishop go to f4. Now attack the knight by the bishop. We will see how to counter this match. Black knight go to c6. Okay. Then white knight go to f3. Then black pawn go to d6. Okay. Then the sixth move of d4. He push the pawn to d4. The sixth move of. Okay. Then knight cross d4. Then knight cross d4. Knight take the pawn and knight take the knight. Then c cross d4. That's it. In one move, black resign. We will see why black resign. Now bishop go to b5 and check. That's it. Now black resign. We will see why black resign this match. I am going to explain and analyze. We will see. Okay. This bishop there is a check. Now black need to block the check with bishop or queen. Okay, first block with bishop, then cut the bishop and check, then block the check with queen, then wrap the queen. That's it. That's why black resigned this match. Okay, we can go to the wrap number 2. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is wrap number 2 in on defense. How to white wins by checkmate in 9 moves only. Why black resigned this match? Why black lost this match? I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Let's go to the moves. First move is e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then b6 on defense. Okay. Then second move of d2. This is called on defense. Then the second move of black bishop go to b7. Okay, we will see how to counter this match. White bishop go to d3. Okay, we will see. Now black turn, black pawn go to f5. Now attack the pawn by the pawn. In this case, white cut the black pawn. Then black bishop cut the white pawn. In some moves, white wins by checkmate. We will see how to white won by checkmate. Okay. Now white queen go to h5 and check. Then g6. He push the pawn to g6. Defend the check with pawn. Then knight go to f3. If take the bishop, take the rook. We will see bishop take the rook. Then f cross g6. Okay. Then knight f6. Then beautiful move make white pawn. G cross h7 and beautiful check. If take the queen by the knight. Then beautiful checkmate with bishop g6 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. Okay. This is wrap number 2 in on defense. We can go to the wrap number 3. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is wrap number 3. Why black resign in 5 moves only? How to white won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Let's go to the moves. First move is e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then b6. This is called on defense. Then b4. Knight f6. e5. Knight e4. Okay. Then we will see how to move white. White bishop go to d3. Now attack the knight y the bishop. Then bishop come to b7. Defend the knight y the bishop. That's it. One move. Black resign because the queen knight is wrapped now. Okay. He puts the pawn to f3 and wrap the knight. This knight cannot go there. 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 Cannot go there because this knight is wrapped right now. That's why black resigned this match. Okay, we can go to the checkmate puzzles time. We can go to the checkmate puzzles. Okay, hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is checkmate puzzles time. This move is, first move is white turn. In 4 moves white win by checkmate. How to white won by checkmate in 4 moves? I am going to give you 15 seconds only. You need to find the right answer before the 15 seconds. If you don't know the answer, don't worry. I am going to give you the right answer after the 15 seconds. The timer is running right now in the right time. Let's go to the timer. Okay.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, this is checkmate puzzles answer. First move is white turn. In 4 moves, white win by checkmate. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is rook f1 and check. Then king go to g7. Then beautiful move make white rook go to f7 and check. Then king go to g8. Then beautiful move make rook f6 and beautiful check. Okay, that's it. One move, beautiful checkmate. Okay, king go to g7. Then the queen go to f7 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is checkmate puzzles answer. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone.